Hello friends, today I came for ISKCON temple which is located exactly near Rajaji Nagar. It's opposite to Korean Mall. So I'm making a vlog about ISKCON temple. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and if you like you can comment and share also. Yeah guys, now I'm going to enter the ISKCON temple. I'm exactly opposite to the chapel stand. First thing you need to go and leave your footwears there. Then you can go left side. Guys, this is the entrance for ISKCON temple. So from here you need to go inside to visit the darshan of Lord Krishna. So I am going now. And this is beautiful place which you can visit with your family and friends. And you can take darshan of Lord Krishna also. Guys, this is the way you need to go for darshan here, and only just 2 minutes walk from here you can directly go inside the temple. Here you can locate the temple. Just by 1 minute you can go inside the temple. So I am going now. Very beautiful temple, as you can see the sceneries and all here. It is very nice. You need to visit once, definitely. For peace and satisfaction you need to visit here for this temple. One of the best temple I can tell, which is the biggest temple in Bangalore. Yeah, this is the main entrance of the temple. So you need to go inside this here. This is the main entrance here. So now I'm entering here. As you can see the scenery of this beautiful temple. I really like the temple structure and monuments and all. If you want to enchant the Lord Krishna's name, you need to take one card here. Then you need to go inside here. One of the beautiful temples across Bangalore. You must visit temple here. Amazing temple. You need to visit here. And one more thing I just need to inform about this temple is that they provide free prasadam here. Before pandemic, they used to provide free prasadam here for lunch. But after pandemic, they only provide buffet, like 1 cup of prasadam here. So keep in mind, they don't provide the meals here after pandemic. That's what I wanted to say you, just to remind you. Guys, now I am entering the Venkateshwara temple here, which is located inside. Yeah, this is Venkateshwara temple, which is located inside the ISKCON temple. Let us go to the main temple outside. For any puja, you can buy any items here. This is Srinivasa Govinda temple here. There are two temples down, with one is Govinda temple and one is Srinivasa temple down here. Now I'm going to the main temple of ISKCON. It's really sunny here. I can't tell anything more. Guys, now I've entered the main entrance of the temple. Now I am going inside the temple. This is how it looks. Now I have came for the items purchase here, so I don't purchase anything today. Here you can purchase any kind of Krishna this thing items here. There is clothes. Guys, the photography was not allowed inside, so I didn't take any photography. There, videos there. So came outside, I had a darshan of Lord Krishna. It was amazing experience. So I'm now going out to have some prasadam. And now they have given prasadam here. Now I'm going to taste it. Usually it will be very good. So I'm going to taste that prasadam here. They have given me pongal, I guess. This is pongal here. Thara pongal. I finished my prasadam. It was the taste was good, and now I came here for just to see, to rest, and you can see the background of the ISKCON temple, how beautiful it is. Many people come here and take photographies or pictures here, so it is very good. Overall experience of ISKCON was good. Even you can come here. That's what I can say. Thank you. So guys, this is the beautiful view of ISKCON. I had prasadam right now and I came here to rest for some time, and I saw this one. It is very beautiful and all the sceneries here. As you can see, the sceneries all here. It is very beautiful, and there is one river also. Now I'm going back to my home. I completed my vlog. If you like the video, you can share and subscribe to my channel, and even you can comment also. It was a totally awesome experience, I can tell. Here there is a parking facility also. You just need to pay 10 rupees, then you can park your vehicle somewhere here, and there is vehicles here also. And this is the exit. Totally awesome experience coming to ISKCON. I always prefer to come to ISKCON because of peaceful state of mind and happiness, joyful. So I came.